What's up guys, it's HarleyWood, welcome back. All right, today we're gonna take a look at a couple of new packs from MyMedic. So if you've been watching the channel for any period of time, I think I've done 2 or 3 reviews and some giveaways with them, okay? I have an older one that I keep in the saddlebags on my Harley, and it goes with me everywhere when I ride. I also recently reviewed the MyFAK Large Pro, and I had a really cool setup for that in my truck. I'll put a card right up here on the screen if you wanna go watch that one. And today, I'm gonna show you how they've redesigned these. Some pretty cool stuff. Let's get into it. So first up is the new Sidekick, all right? You can see it's totally redesigned laser cut MOLLE on the front there. There is a new strap system, and this one also breaks away. So if you had it mounted in a truck or somewhere else, it has a Velcro MOLLE back. And then tucked back behind there, what was all folded up behind that MOLLE backer is actually a carry or a fanny pack strap. So you could put this around yourself, carry it on your side or on your back, take it with you when hiking. And this one is the MyFAK Mini Pro, all right? Has that same breakaway Velcro system on the back. I'm not gonna break it off there, but I did want you to see how the strap, the waist strap or shoulder strap, however you choose to carry it, is kind of folded up in the back there. And I'm gonna be giving this one away. That is a $200 value, all right? So stay tuned for more on that. All right, so let's get into this Sidekick first. And I'm not gonna tear these things apart because of the giveaway, but I did want to show you this. Look at these, are what they call their mods. So they're these little packs that are sealed. You can rip them open, and then they do have also kind of a Ziploc interface right here. But this, for example, is the mini burn mod, and it has the ingredients right there on the back. Now, I'm going to post a link in the description below where you can see all of the mods that are in these, but let's say that you have to break this open and you use your burn mod. All you need to do is go on the website and buy a replacement burn mod, stick it back in your pack, and it's fully supplied again. How cool is that? All right, so real quick, we've got a little first aid survival guide in here. We've got some antiseptic wipes. And then in the back there's some nitrile gloves. I'm trying to keep everything in its spot. There is your mini burn mod. Here is your mini medication mod. Just to give you a screenshot of what's in there. You can pause it if you want to read that. And then you've got your super skin mod that's gonna have your band-aids, some of your moleskin kind of stuff. Over here is triple antibiotic. Oh, nope, there's your moleskin, sorry. There's your blister mod. And then here's your topical mod. So this is gonna have like sunblock and things like that in it. In fact, you can pause it right there if you wanna read it. And then some hydration stuff, as well as some water purification. All right, and now the Mini Pro. So there's a Mini and there's a Mini Pro. The Mini Pro has a lot more stuff in it. So as I open this up, notice the organization here, how they call this a pagination feature, how you can kind of turn it like a page. So if we immediately get into this thing, we're gonna go back to front because that's how she likes it. There is your super skin mod again. And again, this is the one I'm giving away, so I'm trying not to tear this up. Here is a pressure bandage. Here is some gauze. There's that first aid survival guide. There is, what do they call this one again? The burn shield. So this is your burn mod. Nitrile gloves, and the Pro version comes with a rat tourniquet. And then in the back there is some quick clot. Over here you have a light stick. There's that topical mod. Here's some eye wash. There's some of your moleskin, medication, space blanket. Turn the page here. You're gonna have your hydration and your water purification. This is a CPR mask. Here is a little bit of, what's that? Oh, it's a splint with some tape. Here's a tool mod. It also has a pen light with a pupil eye gauge. A wound closure mod, so this is some liquid skin. Z-zips, these are pretty cool. So you can actually kind of zip tie a wound closed. Chest seal, again, that's a Pro feature. An NPA, so if you don't know how to use these, I wouldn't advise doing it, but if you're on the scene and somebody does, good for them. There's some more bandage wrap. There is a pair of trauma shears back there and some paracord. All right, now let's talk about the giveaway. All I need you to do to enter in this giveaway is go follow MyMedic at one of their social media channels. I'm gonna post links in the description below to all of them. Once you do, come back here to the YouTube video. If you're watching this on Facebook, you can comment there, but that doesn't enter you in the drawing, okay? Come back to the YouTube video, post a comment down below, and tell me where you follow MyMedic. That's it. All right, and here are some of the ground rules. You can pause this if you want to read it. I will notify the winner by responding to your comment down below and telling you that you have won. There have been some scammers in my comments who have posted, they even have an icon that looks like mine, and they say reach out to me on Telegram or WhatsApp or some various app. That is not me. I will only ask you to contact me at HarleyWood77@gmail.com. If anybody in the comments asks you to contact them anywhere else, it's not me. In fact, I would prefer if you just report it. We're gonna have a real quick turn on this one, all right? The giveaway starts right now and it's going to end Tuesday night, October 18th at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I have another giveaway coming on the 19th, so make sure you're subscribed, and the best way to be notified when one of my giveaways goes live is to join the newsletter. There is also a link in the description below to that. I won't spam you. All I do is send out an email notification whenever one of my giveaways goes live. And that's it, guys. Big shout out to MyMedic. Thank you for supplying the giveaway items here, and I appreciate you for spending the time to watch this video. I've got lots more content to come, and I'll see you in the next one.